Waterfall which you must be hearing in this video, and that is the reason that I have to speak in a very high pitch so that I am correctly audible to all of you. But look at the greenery, look at the beautiful nature's beauty all around me, and I'm sitting in the middle of this waterfall which has a very soothing flow at this point of time because I'm sitting at that kind of a place right now. And today's topic is about waterfall energies and the water body energy. So this is the reason that I'm sitting here and talking about this video at this point of time. So waterfall energies and the importance of waterfall sound and what effect it has in our mind is something that I'm going to be talking about today. And I'm coming more closer to the camera's lens right now because the sound is a very big problem when you record things near the waterfall. Okay, so maybe my face looks really close, but the more important thing is the narration, the sound, what I speak and what I want to convey to all the audience. So let's get started. Now see, waterfalls and water bodies, you need to understand, these are natural therapies for human beings. This being one of the 5 elements, the most important element is water. Our body is completed with 70-75% of water, and when this water gets disbalanced, this energy of water in our internal body gets disbalanced, that is the time our health issues or our immunity issues or some chronic disease starts taking place. So you have to make sure that you cleanse your water body system inside, okay? And you have to think and feel within yourself. And for that, you need to connect with the natural water bodies if you want to go in a spiritual way for cleansing it, okay? And the best way is coming near to a waterfall like this. And even if you're not into meditation activities, just connect with the waterfall energy. Dip your feet the way I have dipped it in the water body. Try to communicate with the water. Make the water your friend. Make sure that you feel that yes, this is something which is going to heal me. This is a self-healing process of cleansing your mind, cleansing the disturbances of your mind, the preoccupied things in your mind, because the moment you will do this, the water will also start communicating with you. This may sound silly to some, but people who know what I'm talking about, the meditation people, they understand that what exactly Didi is talking about right now. This is magical. You need to experience this to actually believe this, okay? Calm down. I'm not even telling you to meditate or do a mantra chanting. That is something which will add on to the benefits, which will add on to the beauty and the magical experience of the water body, okay? You can't even trace what are the benefits of sitting near a water body or connecting with the waterfall energy. It's immense, you know. You get new ideas. You're in a way you are rejuvenating your whole mind process, your thought process, okay? And this, if you can do the mantra enchantings, in the last video I had talked about the importance of mantra enchantings. If you can do that, it's really great. Or if you can meditate with the water body, it's really great. But that's a higher form of meditation for people who know the importance of meditation here, okay? So you even get these artificial waterfalls in cities. Why? Because every waterfall has its own sound effect. Like this sound which is so loud in the camera right now, this has a cleansing process. This has a soothing and a peace process for each and every living being, okay? The trees are also very happy. If you look at these trees and look at the green area, the soil is so fertile. You know, all these 5 elements which are there, they are connecting with each other so well that a product or a thing or a formation, the outcome which is coming is absolutely beautiful and natural. Something which is sacred, something which is pure, okay? This is the biggest proof of then 5 elements beings connect with each other in a positive way, in a correct way, what is the outcome, what is the result? Same is our internal human bodies, okay? Everything is a game of 5 elements, everything is a game of these super energies that if you connect with them, you cleanse them, you will never be under depression, you will never be under stress levels, okay? So I hope you understand the importance of waterfall energy and the water body energy and utilize this video information and apply this information in your daily lives, okay? I'll end this video at this note because I've already collected the kind of water energy I wanted. It's enough for me now, and I will carry on now further. Till then, next week I'll come up with another topic. See you.